Hi everyone, thank you for clicking and welcome back to English with Becky. In this video, we're going to look at the two prepositions until and by. They're both prepositions of time and we use them similarly, but they have both different meanings. So let us look at the differences and how to use them in this video. So let's start with by. We use by to talk about an action or an event that happens at or before a certain date. We use by to say not later than, right? There's a deadline by 8 o'clock, by 8 p.m., right? Or before. So let us look at some example sentences. You have to be home by 8 p.m. Here we use by 8 p.m. This can mean at 8 exact or before, right? Before 8 p.m. or exactly at 8 p.m. You have to be home by 8 p.m. We don't use until in this sentence. You have to be home until 8 p.m. That's incorrect. You have to be home by 8 p.m. Let us look at another example sentence. Say you borrowed a book from your friend. So you tell him or her, I will return your book by Sunday. So by Sunday. You don't say I will return your book until Sunday. I will return your book by Sunday. This can mean before Sunday or on Sunday, right? Another example sentence, submit your assignments by Friday. We use by Friday, right? This could mean on Friday or could mean before Friday, right? But the date is Friday. That's the deadline. Submit your assignments by Friday. We do not use until here in this sentence because until is a continuing process, right? It's a situation or an event that continues up to a certain time or date. It continues. Looking at some example sentences, I will wait until the rain stops. So you're waiting, right? It's from this moment until the rain stops. So it's a moment from this time to this time, right? So it's continuing. The situation is continuing. I will wait until the rain stops. Or say you have visited your friend, you have gone to your friend's place and you say, I will be at my friend's place until Monday. Say you went to his place on Friday. So it's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So from Friday till Monday. So that's until, right? I will be at my friend's place until Monday. So it's continuing. It's a process. It's from Friday to Monday. Now let us look at another sentence. I will be at the office until 8 p.m. Now this means that you are at the office. From the time that you reach the office, you will be at the office until 8 p.m., right? It's from this time to this time until 8 p.m. I will be at the office until 8 p.m. And here if you say I will be at the office by 8 p.m., it means that you will reach the office at 8 p.m. or maybe before, right? So that's the difference. When you say until, it means from this time to this time. By means exact at that time or just before. So by is used to talk about an action or an event that happens at a certain time or before that time. And until is used to talk about a situation or an event that continues for a certain period of time. It continues for a certain time. So that's it for this video. I do hope you found it useful. If you did, kindly consider subscribing to the channel. I'll really appreciate that. I'll see you in the next video.